So today I will be talking regarding some tougher concept. I think quantum mechanics is a weak and very simple topics. Everybody can understand quantum mechanics, as quantum mechanics always says that there is always a two possibility in everywhere. Whether you go anywhere, whether you are going to Raipur in America or everywhere, anywhere, you will already get two possibilities, either spin one and spin down. So it talks on spin up and spin down, but time traveling and quantum mechanics are connected. But today I will be talking about a different concept regarding religion and the Third World War. Third World War will never happen because if Third World War happens, it will create a chaos in the society. But currently, Third World War is going on, but it is on internet today. Every knowledge, every information is on internet, and it is free. I'm not talking about cheap books which are used to just read and pass the exams, but I am talking about good books, all the books written by Nobel laureates and higher personality with higher knowledge are available online and free of cost. And YouTube videos like quantum mechanics, machine learning, psychology, and everything is available online. You can read online, but today I will be talking about a deeper concept. So the deeper concept is that people believe in lots of religious textbooks. I am not mentioning any textbooks. I just say that all are fraud. They are written by humans to teach humans, but currently they are outdated. All the wars are going because of those textbooks only, and those textbooks are just fraud. These I am saying this because after reading lots of books, lots of things, I have written lots of books, I have read lots of books, and after saying all books are fraud. They are having very good knowledge, very good in depth, but they teach humans that we should fight, we should fight for dignity, we should fight for respect, but I don't feel like we should fight. We just follow the nature, and we, when it is necessary that it should be done and it should be important, then we should take action, and that action should be uplifting the knowledge of humanity, humanity or homo sapiens. So today there is a war that every country is saying that we will not allow these persons. India is claiming that Bangladeshis are entering in our countries, and that USA is saying that lots of uh, people are coming to their countries. But I am definitely saying all are wrong. We are homo sapiens, and we are born to live in wherever we, whenever and wherever we want to live. I know it is very tough to provide shelter and everything for human beings, but country like USA, country like India, country like Australia, all demographically and lots of the if you see the marketer projection and the globe, marketer projection is a 2D map. 2D map that looks flat, but actually the earth is round, and the globe, and we have enough land, enough places to live. So let's take, I'm sure you have traveled in train, and when you travel in train you see lots of blank spaces, and those spaces are free. So I, after a good knowledge, after a good reading, I am saying that all the countries has enough spaces to to give, provide shelter, food, and everything to every human. But why we are fighting? Because we are claiming that our dignity, our religion, our thing is great. But I am saying that this is a foolishness, and I claim that I am most foolish person in the world, because I have understood this fact after reading quantum mechanics, after reading string theory. But I could not understand string theory and quantum mechanics because these are very cheap things, very easy. Because if you go for string theory, there will be 500 pages of one equation. and you will not comprehend the equation until you solve it. And it is very tough to solve those equations. But the equation which make the atomic bomb is E is equal to mc square. That is one line formula. That equation only make the atomic bomb. So which equation is strong? I believe E is equal to mc square. So I believe I my motive of this video to just say that humans started living, cultivating and living a standard life around 30,000 years ago according to NCERT and according to surface knowledge on the internet. But there was lots of things. Some people claim that Mahabharata happens, so I say that it happened, but not 5,000 years ago, 6,000 years ago, but it happened around millions of years ago, when the humans were there, dinosaurs were there, and they used to live together. Humans were having capacity to control dinosaurs. It was capacity because humans are intelligent, dinosaurs are fool. They know they are also intelligent, but they are not as intelligent as human beings. So it happened, but it is a previous day. We should not fight for those things that this is my culture, this is my dignity. We have to learn from the past that Mahabharata happens, lots of people died, lots of society collapsed, lots of people got homeless. So why should we fight? We should fight for food, we should fight for freedom. So freedom is guaranteed, it is given by God. We should not fight for freedom. We should I previously I said that we should fight for freedom. Here I am saying that we should fight for peace. Peace is guaranteed. If we start fighting, so everything is peace. So I think this video is getting longer and longer. So I think just be brave and believe in your logic and your intuition. And I just claim that time travel is possible, and you can do time traveling with the help of a simple aeroplane. And you can with the aeroplane you can do time travel of 0.00005 seconds only, if you are doing flight of 2 hour. But if you are doing flight of 24 hour, I am not that much I am not good at flight doing in flight, because I have experience of 2 hour 3 hour flight. So you can do time travel only this small seconds. And this is verified by the scientists of NASA. Those are staying in the space station. So every time this GPS coordinates tracks and change the time of every. So you are seeing that you have some watches, analog and digital watches, and you are having mobile, and you are saying, you think that you are that Google Map is giving you correct location. It is giving correct location because every day the engineers of NASA and all over the world changes the time and calibrate the time in the space station, to calibrate the time with the help of Einstein's equation. And our space is not flat, it is curved. So they calibrate this time every day. And you are, I believe every human, every person is very intelligent and very strong enough, but they are living in a small world, small cube, and that cube is their home, their job. Everyone should go for job, they should live for cube, but I believe you should expand your knowledge with the help of encouraging the people and doing good things. Thank you.